Hello everyone, welcome to Flash in 5, an initiative by Unacademy. यहाँ पर आप किसी भी टॉपिक को सिर्फ 5 मिनट में सीख सकते हैं. Hello everyone, wish you all a very happy Republic Day. And on this occasion, we have brought a particular video to bring forward a few important facts and interesting facts about this particular day. The first fact I like to mention is that this edition is the 74th edition of the Republic Day. Interestingly, the 2020 Independence Day, that would be on 15th of August, would be the 74th Independence Day. Why is that so? This was because the first Republic Day was celebrated in 1950. Our declaration as a republic happened only in 1950, 3 years after the independence which had occurred in 1947. The next fact is that on the very same day, that is 26 January 1950, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first president of India, took the oath. So he was declared the president on the very same day as we were declared a republic. The idea of republic originates from the French Revolution, as we all know about it, right? The idea of liberty, equality and fraternity, republic and democracy had originated from the French Revolution. What is the significance, the historical significance of this particular date, that is 26 January? We attained independence on the 15th of August. Yet, why do we celebrate 26 January as the Republic Day? The interesting thing is that after the declaration of Poon Swaraj in 1929 Lahore session, 26 January 1930 was actually declared as the Independence Day by the Indian National Congress. So the people of India were urged to celebrate 26 January 1930 as the Independence Day. But eventually, when we actually got the independence in 1947, the date was 15th August. So to commemorate the day of 26 January 1950 was the day which we celebrate as the Republic Day. The next fact is that the national anthem of India, which is Jana Gana Man, as written by Rabindranath Tagore, was declared so 2 days prior to the 26 January 1950, that is the Republic Day. Subsequently, what we also know is that 1955 is the year when the first parade happened at Rajghat. So the first parade, the Republic Day parade, which we so cherish these days, was actually first conducted only 5 years after the declaration of India as a republic. Talking about the Republic Day parade, the Republic Day parade and celebration actually is a 3-day affair. It is so important for India that it takes 3 days of celebration. So it starts from the 26th of January and ends only on the 29th with the beating the retreat celebration. Have you heard of the song Abide With Me? It is a song which is commonly heard during the Republic Day parade. Interestingly, it is supposed to be one of the most favorite songs of Mahatma Gandhi and therefore has carried forward in the celebration of the Republic Day as well. The last fact for this particular video is that on the 71st Republic Day celebration, the chief guest is gonna be the President of Brazil, Bolsonaro. So these were some of the interesting facts about Republic Day. How many of you knew about them? How many of you did not know about them? Please let us know in the comment below. Also, if you have some facts of your own which we have missed out on, please do let us know. So wishing you a very happy Republic Day once again. Thank you.